Hey guys, what's up? So today I have another video, and today we're gonna do one pistol airsoft reveal and how it works in fire rate and whatever. It's a close range weapon, and it's a Beretta model 92, I believe.
Mm-hmm.
And it's fully loaded, and I have a little helmet here because it looks cool, and got a little tactical vest. It holds like a lot of stuff, but I think tomorrow we'll do another pistol, and then another pistol, and then a rifle, because my rifle died, its battery died earlier, so we're gonna have to charge that. So, well, let's see what this baby can do. And also there's a little, if you ever buy this, there's a little safety thing right here. And then when you take it out, there's a button here that will release the thing. But here we go. Ow, this just curse. Oh, I think I hit that one. Oh, I straight on hit that.
Mm-hmm.
And we're clear. Well, thank you guys so much for watching, and see ya.